Hi there, this is Allana from Allana's Green Goddess Living, and today I'd like to do a video on minimalism and collections that people have. Because you know, not all people that are minimalists maybe have collections, like some live out of backpacks and travel, and that's really cool. Well, this is a minimalist family, so we have our roots. And anyways, I'd like to show you some of the things that I allow myself to collect, but within reason, because I absolutely love these items. So here we go. So this is like my jade figurine collection, and I got most of them from Victoria in Vancouver Island. It's a little bear holding a salmon. And actually, I think that the Jade store, that Jade Emporium or something, it went out of business, but I'm sure that there are more stores like that in Victoria, or at least you could probably go to the Empress Hotel and find some trinkety souvenir things like that. Yeah, I've got like a seal, a loon, a turtle, an owl, the bear, and a little piggy. So sweet. Yeah, and this is something, gosh, I'm pretty sure I bought this in Jasper. That's where it is. It's all coming back to me. So it's a real trilobite fossil, and I've always loved fossils and dinosaurs and everything like that, and went on a fossil excursion one time to Hornby Island right before I had kids. Anyways, love this little guy, and he needs to stay safe and off limits from the children. This is a fossilized ammonite, and it's so special to me because it was from like a really kind lady that I consider to be like my surrogate mom. Anyways, Miss Van Humbeck gave this to me, and she's a sweetie, and she knew when I was a teen that that I was into this stuff, and antiques and bottle digging and stuff like that. Yeah, so it's very special. So I guess that's sort of like natural, earth things. Anyways, find a better name for it, but yeah. So this is amethyst crystal. And then, I'm not sure, I don't think these are real crystals in this, but I talked about this little bottle before, that my great aunt Kathy gave it to me, and oh, it looks very like Russian in art detail to me. But anyways, they don't make them like this anymore, right? Little glass medicine bottles of some sort with all of that, like, I guess, filigree type of brass work. Gold brass, yeah. I just love it. And she's like, you want it? You can have it. I'm not gonna ever use it. She just fell out with it, I guess. But yeah. Yeah, okay, so that's that collection, you know, tiny little things. And this is like a nature collection. Oh my goodness. I'm the type of person that collects pine cones. Oh dear. And it wasn't really like to make a craft or anything. I just went to different campsites, and I really love these type of like pine cones, like the more durable ones. Some of the closed up ones I kept for like the kids to play with because they're just really hard and they look pretty, and it's sort of like a Montessori nature-based play thing, education. And I just have to say, it's like, why is there this piece of hay sitting in my pine cone collection? This, no, folks, this is actually a lion's hair mane from Aslan the lion, because my parents took us to go see The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe in the summertime, and the actor was fantastic who played Aslan. Anyways, with his giant lion wig, and he like lost some of the hairs on the stage, and like a true stalker I went on stage and stole Aslan's hair. It was pretty funny, but yeah, we loved that play. It was amazingly done. Yeah. And I'm in here, by the way, because the lighting in my bathroom is a lot better, and it's a really dark day today, so like really dull, and it's not yeah, doing anything for, so I better make this quick because I might run out of time on the video. But yeah, so this is my shell collection, and my mommy gave me this pretty nautical box during the summer, And it's got the sand dollar that's from a friend. And a lot of these were collected by the kids and that when we were on Wickaninnish Beach in Tofino. And little like bits of coral that washed up on the beach. Like nothing major, it's just they filled their pockets with little things and I didn't have the heart to make them put them back. Mussel shells. I mean, not everyone would collect these, but they're so pretty. Like there's mother of pearl in here. And oh, I love those colors. They're going to inspire me to do paintings. So this is some of my jewelry collection that I wear every day. And I guess a pink metal and glass bracelet that I made for Anna. But I do go into further detail of my private jewelry collection from my vault, right? And that's in another video and it's really fun. The first one actually that I made got cut off, so I'll probably have to do a more detailed version. But yeah, a lot of my videos are getting cut off lately because my phone storage keeps going time's up. But yeah, I love these earrings. And I'm wearing some, ooh, I call these Artemis. Like after the Huntress, the Greek goddess, I just really like them. Okay, well thank you for watching. Oh, and I'm wearing this too. I said that I would in the other video and it just goes with this. So yeah, have a great afternoon or day, whatever time of day it is where you're watching. And remember to like and subscribe for more videos and hit the little bell to get notifications when I post more. Okay, take care.